So today I'm going to talk about how to reintroduce those 44 related variables if you have blacklisted them before the PMF runs. So 16, which is 16, 17, and 18 in for the ASIN data. So um, I mean, of course, we exclude them during the PMF. That's no problem about it. But while when you do the blacklist for the profile with MZs, if you like accidentally like blacklist blacklisted those, for example, you selected these three variables, then it could end up nothing show up in your result panel. So you need to be very careful about this. Also, when you add the cursor, every time you add this cursor, if you press the blacklist button. So for example, here the 29 variable will be also blacklisted, so be very careful about this as well. I mean, so whatever I'm showing right here is for whoever you have, you cannot see 16, 17, 18 in your results. So you need to do whatever I show as follows. So for example, you need to find out to make sure in this define mode options. So basically, you need to make sure the iterations and the number of factors should be consistent. And to find out this one, you need to go here to the log file. Basically, if you have imported already, then you go to the criteria panel, you select this and you go to the log file, you find out the number of factors and the iterations. So in total it's 7 runs, so which means it only have one iteration per time. So here it is, then it should be good to go. And make sure in here the HDF file name should be exactly the same as your HDF files. Then you can press start run to resume this. It will pop down a window to ask you if you want to resume the PMF run. So you say yes, and it's not really running the PMF, but it's rather just to reintroduce those blacklist variables. So after this, you can go. You need to do what I've shown you in the workshop. So it's basically um, go to the Sophie, root Sophie, and then go to the results and find the HDA files. If you have import them, you should have this one under the results folder. So then you go to the parameter folder, you find the profile index wave, which is here. You can see it's 67, sorry. And also you can open the arms text txt, so you can find out. So the index of 0 is 12, 1 is 13, 2 is 15. So here I in this PMF, actually this 6 are all blacklisted. So what you're gonna do is basically so these three are not 44 related, but these three are. So basically you need to reinsert those three variables. So what you're gonna do is to insert 3 points and make them 3, 4, and 5. So that's here it is. Then close this, you close this as well. You go to the data, load the waves, you go to open the HDF files, make sure you do not check this box, do not check the read-only box, otherwise you cannot override the wave. So go to open the HDF5 file. So basically you go to find your ME2 engine folder, you go to the results, you find the corresponding HDF file. Then you go to the PMF input here. Then you find your profile index right here. You see it's 67. It does not have 3, 4, 5, which is 44 related variables. So what you're gonna do is go to press save waves. You find the wave you have replaced already. So which is in the results. This HDF5 files. Go to the parameters, profile index, and save. And that's it. And then you need to re-import, remove these files, and re-import it. And after you re-import it, it should be good to go. Let's see how it goes. It's very slow somehow. Okay, so now it should good to go. So let's see if we can find out if we can see. Let's just quickly average one to see if those variables are actually there. Here it is. Okay, so as you can see now, the 16, 17, 18 are there. So that's basically what you should do. All right.